How do people react to those who need help, and do these responses differ across genders? Our hypothesis is that women would be helped more than male Confederates by men more than women. For this experiment, we're going to look at benevolent sexism and the bystander effect. If you do not know what these are, let me explain them to you. According to Darley Latanè, benevolent sexism represents evaluations of gender that may appear subjectively positive, but are actually damaging to people and gender equity more broadly. These are the ideas that women need to be protected by men. According to Glick, the bystander effect, or bystander apathy, is a social psychological phenomenon that refers to cases in which individuals do not offer any means of help to a victim when other people are present. The probability of help is inversely related to the number of bystanders. In other words, the greater the number of bystanders, the less likely it is that any one of them will help. Several variables help to explain why the bystander's effect occurred. These variables include ambiguity, cohesiveness, and diffusion of responsibility. And what is diffusion of responsibility? Well, according to Hudson and Breckman, diffusion of responsibility is a social psychological phenomenon whereby a person is less likely to take responsibility for action or inaction when others are present. Experiment, we used 4 Confederates, 2 males and 2 females, which carried assorted items, and by these I mean notebooks, loose paper, and bags. They carried these items in public places and dropped them as they fell. While this was taking place, the Confederates were video recorded by research assistants. We conducted 21 trials overall, 13 with male Confederates, 8 with female Confederates. In the male Confederate condition, 16 people helped when they fell, 6 female and 10 male, and 17 did not help at all. 12 of these were female and 5 were male. On the other hand, in the female condition, 21 people helped, 11 of them were female and 10 of them male. 18 did not help, 10 female and 8 male. When we were able to hear the audio in the recording with one of the male Confederates, 7 people asked if the Confederate was okay after they fell. 5 of these were females and 4 of these were males. This was recorded whether they actually helped or they didn't. People helped slightly more than not 51%. Overall, 49% of people helped the male Confederate, while 53% of people helped the female Confederates. Men were more likely to help the fallen regardless of gender. Over women, 61% of males helped and 44% of women helped. Females were especially unlikely to help male Confederates. 60% passed without helping. Our conclusion was that even though our experiments were done in different places, our hypothesis was correct. Our women Confederate were helped more than did our men Confederate, and men, in both cases, were the ones that provided more help. We thought it was surprising, the fact that men helped both of the times more, except the women, because we tend to believe that women are more lean to help and more lean to be compassionate for others in need.